Alright guys, I'm doing a review of Daiya dairy-free deluxe style cheddar. Now this is dairy-free, so keep this in mind. As you can see, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, 6 grams of protein. So these are the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Okay, so got 1 gram of sugar, 6 grams of protein. So it's brown rice pasta. So the cheese sauce is made of tapioca. Which is, let me show you where it is, tapioca starch, as you can see there. So I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to cook it up. So I'm actually going to cook it up like you would with like a macaroni and cheese without the cheese part, or without the dairy part. So I'm going to have it with like some vegetables in there. I'm going to put in things like some arugula, some spinach. I have the Organic Girl Supergreens that I'm going to be using with it, and then I'm going to add like a can of tuna to it, so it'll be almost like what you would call a almost like a casserole sort of thing. So here's the Organic Girl Supergreens, as you can see. So I'm going to be putting that in there. It'll make for a good recipe. So if you guys, people always ask me for different. Alright guys, so we're opening this up. So what's inside is the cheese packet, as you can see, and these are what the macaroni looks like, and it does have dried vegetables in there, and it does have a little ripple on the macaroni. So I'm going to cook that up. I'll be back and I'll show you what the final thing looks like with the tuna and everything. So stay tuned and I'll do a quick taste test. Alright guys, so I just put the cheese sauce in and the noodles are all ready, so you're just going to mix it up. And then I'm going to put it with my bowl of veggies, which I have here, and tuna. So I'll be right back. Alright, so here's the taste test. There it is. Taste-wise, it tastes exactly like a macaroni and cheese. Definitely check it out, guys. The vegetables that go in there make it flavorful. And yeah, you wouldn't notice the difference if this was served to you. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below, subscribe to the channel.